Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January the 31st, 2023, and I'm out here in the second greenhouse. We just turned the one light off. We moved one of the Shanghai LED grow lights over into this greenhouse for the ranunculus plants, and I did order more lights. I'll have a link down in the description for the lights that I use. We've been letting the lights on for 13 hours a day because we are gardening in Pennsylvania and Zone 5B, and we've been getting a lot of snow and a lot of cloudy days. So I said earlier that in another video I sowed more Ranunculus Corms into these swimming pools here. You can see they are starting to come up here, and they were put in, I think, on the 18th, or no, yeah, I think it was the 18th. I'll check my book and put the date in the video here. And you can see here they are coming up for me. This is the AV red ranunculus. And we have the AV orange ranunculus. And let's see, we have the matchy ranunculus. They are starting to come up right here. And I have two corms in this container here. This is one of your larger containers. This is a 3-gallon container here, and I put 2 corms in here. And this is the Ranunculus V mix, and you can see they're just starting to come up in this one here. There's one right here, and I'm trying to see if I see any more in here. That's the first one coming up so far for the V mix that I see. This here is more of the matchy ranunculus here coming up. Now these were the ones that I had gotten from Lowe's last year, and I did the video on how to take the corms out and store them. So they are coming up for me, and these corms were soaked for 3 hours before I planted them. I have a video on my channel for how I soak my ranunculus corms before I plant them. And these back here were some matchy pastel mixed ranunculus. These were started last year in, I believe it was May, from seed, and they went dormant. They did produce the corms, and they started coming back on their own. So I transplanted them into this container here. You can see they're growing here for me. I have a ranunculus corm coming back right here. I ran out of room in containers, and I had one more to plant, so I stuck it in this swimming pool with a bunch of status plants, and it's growing for me. So we're gonna get this some water here. You can see my ranunculus seedlings back here, the matchy mixed pastel, and over here was some of the other regular matchy mix. Now, like I said, you know, these went through all that cold and everything else, and a lot of them froze out, but when you've seen the videos before, you've seen everything was completely full. But when we had that storm come through back in December, it froze so much stuff out. But pardon?
9 below 0.
Yeah, 9 below 0. I have videos on my channel of the damage from that storm and what it did, even though the greenhouses are heated. But we did have some survivors here, and they are doing much better since we got the different lights set up in here, and we put the lights on more in this greenhouse here. So there is a difference since we started running the lights more in this in the greenhouses, because everything was cloudy and nothing was really growing. Everything was just like sitting. So we put the lights in, and we are really watching how much we water these ranunculus. We're keeping them on the drier side, like we're not watering them until the soil feels dry so we don't rot any of the corms. We do have some more really cold weather coming on the one night. So, you know, we're, the greenhouse is heated, and we're going to really watch how much the stuff is watered. I might put a little fan in here because that really helps too when you start getting more airflow in. That really helps your stuff out a lot. But I do have more Ranunculus Corms that I'm going to be sowing. I still have the AV purple, the Picotti orange, the AV red, and I have more of the AV mix. But I just wanted to give you this quick video update here. And your Ranunculus do like full sun, so getting that extra light seems to really be helping them out here.
Yeah, look at the roses.
But one thing I'm not going to do is I'm not going to root or dig around in the soil here. Oh, here's another one coming up. Because I don't want to break anything that is coming up. So I'm just kind of letting these go here, and I'm letting them kind of come up and grow on their own. This is going to be their permanent home here for the growing season until they, you know, grow, flower, and then go dormant. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.